So hi friend, this is Amit and you're at my channel Information and Educational Video. So here I am going to provide you day 3 AEEE Examination 2023 phase 1 complete analysis and review, as I have got lots of feedback. So I am here to provide you the complete review. I am providing you the review a little bit late because there was some problem in my right eyes, as you can see here also. So I was at doctor. So here I am going to provide you the complete information so that you can appear for the next shift or next days of examination very properly and with the complete information about the examination. So today also they have asked the question a little bit more difficult as compared to previous 2 days of examination. Many of you have appeared, so you can relate. That will have the effect on marks versus percentile and rank as well, that I am going to provide you very soon in the same channel. But if you are not getting good result, no need to worry, because here there is second phase of AEEE as well, and many students who are registered with my guidance, they are having the exam very well and they will appear in some of the next days also. So if you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. There is a nominal charge for that. Once you register, I will be guiding you on a daily basis. I will be mentoring you by providing all the required materials, that is question, concepts, whole syllabus test, and more importantly the important topic that you need to cover on a daily basis. I will be guiding you. So if you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. There is a nominal charge. Now let's come on to the review of the paper. That is today's all three shift almost 99 to 100% same. You can say that it's in difficulty level, but there was tricky question, particularly in chemistry section. There was named reaction question has been asked, and also from major product. So if you start with chemistry, then it was moderate to difficult. You can't say it is easy or easy to moderate. It was moderate to difficult because there was some tough question, particularly in organic. So inorganic, if you will go, that is inorganic chemistry, then SPD, block of element, chemical compound. Again, also there was question from hydrogen as well as from the redox reaction. Now if you come to the physical chemistry, again electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry, equilibrium, as well as atomic structure, they have asked the question. So this was about the chemistry. Now if you come to physics, then physics was easy to moderate, because there was some theoretical question, 50% you can say formula based, 50% directly from NCERT. A statement you can say, that is theory based question was there, particularly from modern physics, semiconductor, current, electricity, alternating current, EMI, and also from the gravitation and motion in a plane. So this was the complete information regarding physics. Now if you talk about the mathematics, then again it was totally tough, not easy or moderate. It was tough because there was very less time in the examination. As you also know, there is 100 questions in the exam, so a student find it very difficult to solve the question at the less time, particularly in mathematics, because it was too much lengthy. And question we are asked, it is hard question we are from conic section and calculus. Easy question we are from permutation combination, vector 3D complex number, as well as from binomial theorem, set relation function, and trigonometry. So this was the complete information regarding the AEEE day 3 complete analysis and review. So hope you find this information useful. So whatever topic I suggested you, please try to cover them in a detail, so that will help you for phase 1 examination, that is next day examination, whenever you will appear up to 28, as well as for the second phase also. And if you need the complete guidance and mentorship, you can contact me, so that you will get the best result. That will be complete my responsibility. Thank you.